everyone! Today I'll be teaching you how to make banana bread. I have all the ingredients laid out before me. We've got sugar, butter, eggs, baking soda, salt, flour, bananas, and then I'm going to add in some almond extract for a little nutty flavor. So I'm going to start with half a cup of butter and 1 cup of sugar. We're going to cream these together until they're mixed really well. Okay, as you can see, the sugar and the butter are very well mixed. There aren't any that are bigger than. The next thing we're going to add are the other wet ingredients. Our wet ingredients are eggs and bananas. So I've got 2 eggs here. I'll break them into the mixture. What the eggs are going to do is emulsify the mixture, which means that they're going to make it so that the water from the bananas and the oil of the butter can mix together instead of being separate. They also have protein, which helps the browning of the banana bread. Now, I've got 3 different bananas here. It calls for 3 bananas, and I'm going to explain the difference between each of them real quick. This one is an underripe banana. I put it in a plastic bag to help it get ripe faster. But you can see it's still green, so that means it's not going to be as sweet in the bread. Here we've got a banana that was just left out at room temperature and it's ripened pretty well. This is good because you want ripe bananas, they're sweet and they make the bread really yummy. This banana has been in the freezer and it's defrosted now. It's really goopy, wet, and mushy. And I love these the very best because I'm going to smash these up and then put them in with the other ingredients. Okay, so I'm going to mix those all together now. Here's our mixture. Very nice looking. Okay, and now we're going to add in the dry ingredients. This is where muffin baking gets a little tricky, because muffins want to mix them as little as possible. If you mix them too much, they'll end up with peaks. If you don't mix them enough, they'll be kind of dry. So we want to mix it just until it's moist. I've just preheated the oven to 350 degrees, and I just did this one right now because our oven heats up really fast. Normally you want to start it before you even begin putting in the ingredients and mixing them together. So first off, the flour. We have 2 cups of flour and with flour, it's really important that you don't put in too much. So what I'm going to do is sift it. And I don't have an actual sifter, so I'm going to hand sift it, which means I'll take a spoon and just kind of shake it lightly into the cup, and then I'll level it off. We need to put in a ½ teaspoon of baking soda, as well as a teaspoon of salt. And I'm going to go ahead and add in about a teaspoon of almond extract. It's not in the recipe, but I want to experiment and see how it tastes with a nutty flavor. It's just moistened. This is what it looks like. It looks really light in color right now, but by the time it's baked, it's going to be a nice golden brown. This is going to make 24 muffins. And with muffins, you only want to fill them to be 2/3 of the way full, because otherwise they'll overflow and they'll be really hard to get out of the pan. Here we are, 2/3 of the way full, ready to go in the oven. And here we go. And these are the muffins for you. I'll show you when they come out.